is, I like to say, simply someone else's data center. When I say someone else's data center, it literally means all the hardware that you need to run a computer. So the CPU, memory, storage, all of that sits in a large warehouse, if you think about it that way. And that essentially gives you the ability to run any computer from anywhere in the world. When we think about cloud, most of the time we think about public clouds, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba, Oracle, and the rest. And what that means is they own these large warehouses, data centers, and they manage all of that hardware. And all you have to do is, with a touch of a button, spin up servers that you can use yourself. We have various deployment models. Firstly, most common, infrastructure as a service. That relates very closely to what I've just mentioned, where you virtualize a server and then I can spin it up. I can build a website, I can build an application using that hardware in whoever's data center. And I pay only as I use it, which is a big benefit. The next model is thought of as platform as a service. So that is where the provider will manage more of that layer, if you think about it. So they manage the hardware, but also the operating system. So all you need to really worry about is the code that you will write to spin up a website, for example. And then the final model in this cloud space is software as a service. So that's literally where you don't worry about the hardware, the operating system, or the code. You just ingest the service, the software. So for example, Zoom, Teams, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, all of those applications that you get on your desktop that you had nothing to do with, that's software as a service. We also have some more innovative models, such as container as a service, function as a service, but I'll talk about those in a later video.